Hello everyone. So as we left for Patnitrom from yesterday and we reached here in Pahalgam, Aru Valley, and we reached here at like maybe around about 10 o'clock something. And as I showed you the rooms and everything, it was so wonderful and it was amazing. So it's fresh morning now, and it was drizzling since morning, and it's fresh weather and it's good. And I'll just let you have a view of the amazing fresh morning. Here it is. That's the view from our window. This is one of the JK Tourism's resort, and you can definitely book it from website, and trust me, it's worth paying and worth experiencing and going ahead of 10 kilometers above from Pahalgam, so that if you come here, and trust me, you'll be worth the penny which you have spent.
सुबह वो 10 बजे खुल रहे, भाई बोल रहे हैं हमें 8 बजे निकलना है, तो आपको लेट हो जाएगा। तो बढ़ा नहीं है। तुम भी क्या ऐसे बात करती रे बाबा? Hi guys, we're at Kashmir, Srinagar right now. You can see we are floating in Dal Lake right now. So the plan is to go to Meena Bazaar, and there are some gardens here which we'll be visiting. It's a 1-hour ferry ride. So we stayed in a houseboat yesterday night. Yesterday we started from Pahalgam, Aru Valley, and the weather changed drastically on us. This is the floating market, I guess. You can see there are so many things to buy here.
ये अमेरिकन हो गया ना, ये खाना, ये बात है, ये खा के देखो, इसका टेस्ट ना आप याद रखिएगा।